9 roly-polies. Let's write that down. Leah has 9 roly-polies in her bug house. She has one more. She has one more than Dingane, is I think how I would say that name. How many roly-polies does Dingane have? Dingane have. So that's what we need to figure out. So we need to figure out how many roly-polies does Dingane have. So this right over here is our question mark. Now, it's always good when you look at a word problem like this, you say, okay, well, did Ngane have more or less than Leah? Well, it says she, Leah, has one more than Dingane. So Leah is going to have more. And how much more? One more. So Dingane is going to have one less than Leah. If Leah has one more than Dingane, then Dingane has one less than Leah. So how do we write one less? Well, we could just subtract 1. So this right over here, this is 1 less. 1 less. This is saying that Dingane has 1 less than Leah. So how much does Dingane have? Well, he's going to have 8 roly-polies. 8 roly-polies. Now another way you could have done it, you could have drawn Leah's roly-polies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that would have been them rolled up. You said, okay, that's 1 more than Dingane, so Dingane has 1 less than this. So 1 less than this, you just take away one of these, and you're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're left with these right over there. Let's do one more of these. Whoops. All right, let's do one more. So they tell us the mass of a small